Hi, I'm David Coleman. I was born and raised in Mexico City, but I'm now a full-time photography instructor in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today I want to share with you 3 safety tips that you can do while doing street photography. And that comes down to tape, strap, and presentation. Let's take a look at all those 3 things. Starting with tape. I recommend to my photography students to always tape over the camera logos using something like gaffer tape. And that's because good thieves know good cameras. And by taping over your camera logos, you don't make yourself a target. So next is the strap. Very similar to the camera logos, straps also contain manufacturer logos that are oranges, reds, and yellows and attract attention to you. I recommend to get rid of those and get a strap that is nondescript, such as this one. I would also recommend, for added security, to get a strap such as the PackSafe that has a stainless steel cable that runs through the entire strap, making it very difficult for thieves to cut through or rip apart. So that was strap. Next, let's take a look at presentation. And presentation is how I carry the camera. I never carry the camera with a strap on my shoulder or around my neck, because a thief can come and pull on the strap, throwing me off balance, or even worse, to the ground. What I do is I place the strap around the wrist, and then I carry the camera in the center of my body. And that also allows me to do small movements, helping me hide in plain sight. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And for information on my workshops, please see davidcolemanphotography.com. Thank you.